Hi guys, we're at Egmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Golden and Joe.
We're at Egmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Joe and Golden minecart. There we go. Now the time is 10. Hang on a second. The time is 11:01 on Sunday, the 27th of September. So that's what this is for. Our delay 10:22. 1 half and 92 Hull Trace Service and Hull's on a Kiss Cross. Yeah, just got it. Just got messages from Andrew. 1 half and 92 next. So look at this bent light over here. Look at this. Look at this light here.
Yeah, I can see it on the camera.
Bent.
Oh, God.
So look at this telephone box here. Because the other one's really old.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that back at Egmanton. When I was with you and Adam.
Yeah.
Hey Joe, I've heard that I've hit 60 subscribers on my channel.
That's good. I've got 181, I think.
Yeah, I think you have. I think you've got more subscribers than me because you upload more videos than I can possibly make.
Yeah, I upload tons of videos. I have a lot to upload this week.
Oh, finger. A random finger just popped up right there.
Yeah, it was somebody else's finger.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Where?
Over there.
Yeah, I see her now.
18109!
18109 to London Kiss Cross, and up they go. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.